Let's see how to connect your external hard drive to your MacBook. For now, I'm going to connect my 2 terabyte WD hard drive into my MacBook Neo. Let's see the process. So the thing is very simple. On MacBook, we only have the USB-C port. So we need a converter. In this case, we are going to use this USB-C to HDMI adapter. This is a multi-purpose adapter. We can use this for all types of file transferring and also for screen mirroring. This is very useful. I'm using Amazon basis. You can literally use any brand. I will give the product link in the description. If you want, you can buy from there. So let's see. You just take the hard drive USB in and directly plug it on the USB port of the adapter, just like that. Now just connect this in to your MacBook USB port. I usually go with the top port. That's it. Yeah, it starts spinning. Here you can see the light indication. It's hidden under that. So let's see everything on the Mac. Yeah, I can see my WD hard drive. So it directly comes up. Usually if you haven't seen that, you just edit to Finder. Under locations, you can see your external hard drives. So WD hard drive, I just open that. So here you can see your hard drive folders, everything. In case if you want to see the details, means you just place your cursor here and right click here. Then you can see those things, get info. Yeah, the format is exFAT and 2 terabyte hard drive. Available space is 1.5 terabyte and occupied is 400 gigs. So in any case, if you haven't seen your hard drive here, what you have to do is you just remove all the setup and flip all the setup like this one. Just remove and switch like this. Flip and connect again. Okay, just look for the same. Open the Finder and just wait. It takes time. Okay, the hard drive is spinning. Just wait. Yeah, it comes up. So this is the thing. I just open my hard drive. In case if you want to move any photos from hard drive to your MacBook, you just drag and drop like this. Replace. So you can see it's transferring at tremendous speed. It's done. Same thing for Mac to your hard drive. You need to move all the photos, videos, files, everything into your desktop. You just create one new folder and add all those things into the folder, and you just open your hard drive like this and drag and drop. That's it. It's simple, so simple. So it's transferring. This is the thing. It's done. If you want to see the utility means, you just press Ctrl plus space bar and type utility. So disk utility, double tap. So here you will find the data. Under external you can see all those things. I just click external and here you can erase the hard drive if you wish. Here is the main thing. In case if the cables are new but still it haven't connect with your MacBook, it haven't shows means. So here is the main thing. If it asks like you need to format your hard drive, then only we can use. So it's because if your hard drive was format to NTFS, you need to format that to APS, Apple File System, or MFS Plus or exFAT. So the best thing you need to do is you just take a backup on your another device and format your hard drive to exFAT. So this option, you just go with this option. This is a universal format. This will works on Mac and Windows, Android, iPhones, everything. In case if it's formatted to MFS or Apple File System, it will only works on Apple devices. It won't works on Windows. If it is formatted to NTFS, it won't work on Apple devices. So here is the confusion and the problem arises. So the best thing, format any of your hard drive, flash drive, SD card, anything to exFAT. This is the best for Apple and also for Windows. So that's the thing I want to tell you. Okay, now if you want to eject, you just click on amount, this one. Yeah, it's mounted. You can confirm this on your Finder. So it's your hard drive was disabled. That's it. Now you can remove the setup. So it's safe. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about file transferring, you need to watch this playlist.